Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to clean up your engine bay on your E90 BMW. So I'd like to thank ECS Tuning for providing this bracket at a discount. This is a Turner Motorsports Cowl Delete wire management bracket to clean up your engine bay. This will be a quick video of me installing this and showing you how to manage these cables. Normally, a lot of you guys will probably just tuck them back there, or you leave them sitting on top of your valve cover because normally they get mounted to your cabin filter bracketry. I've had them tucked behind my valve cover, but it's really not the right way to go about things. There's heat back there, etc. So I'm going to remove my engine cover. We'll take out these bars here. Figure some of you guys would be interested in this. So we'll start by taking out these E14s. We'll take out this E18 up here. Once you slacken that, you can pull them out. There's these 3 10 mils that you're going to want to remove. I know some of you guys like to see these type of videos because they're just a quick idea of things you can add onto your car to make it a little bit better. This is kind of a return to form for me to just do a quick, simple, fast video like this instead of something extensive. I actually filmed a bunch of videos like this recently just because I'll be traveling for a bit. So rather than leave you guys with no content, I figured why don't we do stuff like this. So you bring this bracket over like this. This is a machine thread, and these are just like screw type threads. So the outer two are a little different. So it has all these zip tie holes here. So I'm going to set these zip ties up on here first. So you could pass all the zip ties through like that if you wanted to manage a bunch of individual wires, or you can just pass a zip tie through here to get the whole group, and it'll be easy to cut and remove later if needed. So I'm just going to pass a couple through these 2 big holes here and leave the small ones. So what I think makes sense to do is to manage the wires on here before you bolt it down. So I have a few things I'd like to manage. So this harness was for my manual swap. Bring that to the bottom. So even though this looks like a big mess right now, I'm going to try to get things in position and then clean up the zip ties. I got the cables managed as much as possible ahead of time. The middle screw is a machine screw, and the other 2 are like a wood screw. They thread into the plastic. Okay, I'm going to start cinching these down, starting with the topmost. So now that all the wires are managed on here, I'll just push the bracket back into place. So there's a look at it. I think that looks great, much more managed. Lastly, I'm reconnecting this positive cable. Tried to clean up the routing a little bit. And if you guys are ever taking this off, be conscious of the fact that if you touch any metal, you'll get a spark if your battery is connected. That's why this is all surrounded in plastic. For you Cowl Delete guys, maybe you didn't know this existed. I didn't know. I just kind of randomly saw it on the website. Alright guys, there you have it. I think that smartens up the engine bay quite a bit, and that's something you'll never really have to undo to work on the car. That's there permanently regardless if you're pulling your engine or anything. It just sits there, you'll do it once and you'll forget about it. But at least it's not going to be tucked behind the engine, getting extra hot, or sitting on top of your valve cover, etc. So just a quick little video for a mod that I didn't know existed, and once I found it, I figured some of you guys will find it interesting. And another benefit is it's a way for me to keep content flowing while I'm busy doing other things rather than leave you hanging. So if this is the first video you're catching on mine, please consider subscribing. I do upload regularly. If you liked it, please give it a like so it'll rank higher. Thanks for watching.